Hello guys, I'm Ogi and I'm really excited for the fact that today I'm going to show you how to generate your very first own blockchain project using Etherlime. It is really simple and no expert knowledge is needed. I remember the time when I started to develop smart contracts. It was difficult for me to find a starting point, and now I want to show you how you can initialize your first starting point for Ethereum development and deploy. First of all, you need to install Etherlime as a global dependency. Don't worry, it is just a single line command. But how to install it? You can use the following command: npm install etherlime-g. For those of you that already has Etherlime as a global dependency, please skip the installation. I'm going to skip it too. For those of you that are installing it now, we are ready to generate our project right after the command finishes. You need an empty folder for execution, and I already set it up. Inside the folder, we can execute the command for initializing a project. The command is Etherlime Init. It will take some time and I will be right back after the command finishes. Hey, welcome back! Etherlime was successfully initialized. Let's go through the folders of the project. I'm going to open the project. As you can see, we have a large amount of folders and files that are ready to be used, which is simply amazing. The first folder that you can see is the Etherlime store folder. The folder is used for storing all the deployment records that are made by the user. But why it is needed? History.json contains all the deployment commands that user executes. What does it mean? It is really helpful for the user, for example, when a contract is deployed back in the days and the user did not save the transaction parameters as transaction hash or deployed contract address, to execute the Etherlime history command, which will show a fancy table report with the deployment results. The second folder is the contracts folder. This folder already has a file named linefactory.solidity. We're going to use the folder for placing all our smart contract files. Etherlime init command already made a file for you, so you can use it for a boilerplate smart contract to learn how to compile it, deploy it, or just to play around with that smart contract. The third folder is the deployment folder. Opening that folder, you can see that we already have a file named deployed.js. That is the file where our deployment scenarios are described. Etherlime init command made a ready-to-use deployment scenario for the deployment of the linefactory smart contract. As you can see, this is achieved with 2 lines of code. You're going to learn more for smart contract deployments in the next sections. Proceeding with the next folder, we're arriving at the test. The test folder is the folder where you can place your unit tests for testing the smart contract. The folder already has an example test.js file, which comes with a few tests for covering the linefactory smart contract functionalities. We're going to use that folder for placing all our test scenario files. Congratulations guys, you successfully initialized your project. This is all that you have to know about the initialization at all. So stay tuned and see you soon in the next sections.